So, going to do a little quick overview of the new HMRC. HMRC, those in the United Kingdom will know. The new 1.3 VTX. Came about 8 days from China, Banggood Special. Realistically, it's the same as the Mate 1G3. It's no different in size, layout's slightly different, but on this it's here as opposed to up here on the 1G3. Switchable power between 25 milliwatts and 800 milliwatts. Channel selection 1 to 8. As you can see, all the channel numbers are on there. The terminals are actually in quite a nice order. Battery ground video, whereas on the 1G3 they got the video down the furthest end, so you can't use just 3 pins next to each other. These do the right spacing for most 3 pins, so it's perfect. Power wise, I've not able to test it unfortunately. I'm just going to assume they're relatively accurate. 25 milliwatts is probably more like 20, and 800 is probably more like 700 at best. As you get rid of China specials. Have already powered it up, tested it and whatnot. It does have reverse polarity protection. Don't ask me how I found that one out. Comes with your standard China special antenna. Seems to do its job and work well. I've got my ground station to the side of me. Obviously my monitor ready. We'll get that all powered up. We'll plug it in and have a little look. Okay, so we're powered up. It's quite a quick setup. I'm just connected to my Talon at the moment. As you can see, we have lights. So your top row, channel numbers. To change channel, simply just quick push. And we go to channel 6, as that's what I normally run on. As you can see, there's no fan currently connected to it. Power output, the blue light is 25 milliwatts currently. I did test this earlier on for about 10 minutes or so, powered on, no airflow at all, just sat there. It got warm, but I wouldn't say excessively or dangerously warm. I have a 5.8 gigahertz VTX on my ground station with a fan that gets about as warm as this does. To change power level, just push and hold the button and then release, and changes to 800 milliwatts, and the same back to 25, like so. Okay, this powered on, we'll have a look at the video. I don't know how well this will show up, hopefully it focuses okay. There we go. Okay, so video seems relatively okay. I am indoors testing this, so any interference of indoors will cause issues with this obviously. So there's no real issues with video. I'm pointing my ground station the wrong way. Should have put an Omni on there, it made more sense, but nonetheless I will move that to that location. There we go. So there's slight lines across the screen, a little bit of interference, but nothing major. I am running a capacitor on my flight controller. I had a little test earlier, motors running, it didn't change, so there's not really getting interference from the motors as such. Video quality seems the same as the 1G3. Range wise, I will test that another point and I'll chuck a video when I've done that. Yeah, there's not really much more to say about it really. I mean, it's 9 grams all in, 15 with the antenna. That's with the extra pins on there, which makes life easier, especially if you're set to 800 and you want to just unplug it whilst you're getting your satellites. I will put my video up very soon. I'll finally get to do a range test when this weather sorts itself out.